the shared responsibility model. As cloud works on shared responsibility model, that means that if we will go with our own infrastructure, okay, that on-prem environment, what we do, we require to build an infrastructure like storage, network, compute, virtual machine, operating system, runtime, application, data, and access. So in this case, we need to manage everything. We need the resources who will manage these all things. But when we move to the cloud, we are offered infrastructure in three ways. First is known as infrastructure as a service. Second is platform as a service. Third is software as a service. If we will talk about infrastructure as a service, in that one, what they do, they provide this infrastructure. If you know that any infrastructure which need to up and running, it consists three things. One is the compute, where your application will run. You need the storage, where your data will be stored. You need the networking, which connect these two things. So this is the whole idea. Mainly three components comes under compute. So these all three things will be provided to you as a service, and cloud provider will manage all the blue part will be managed by the cloud provider. You just need to manage the other things, like you need to create the virtual machine, you need to install the operating system of your choice, then you can create the runtime environment for the developers, and you can build the application on that one. So this is what we have in infrastructure as a service. When we will talk about the platform as a service, that means they are providing platform as a service. That means the runtime environment and all, everything they will manage for you. You just need to develop your focus only on developing your application. And so what it happened, so our means so much effort where we are putting to create these all things is reduced. So that is reduced, so we can focus more on developing our application, make it more efficiently. So here the blue part is managed by cloud provider. We just need to manage the application and the data which is related to our application. When we move to software as a service, the best example of this is like you are using any mail service like Gmail or anything, like Office 365. These all comes under uh, software as a service. What happens, you will just need a license to run that particular software, or we can say to use that particular service, and you will pay only for your license. So this is the cheapest way, and it is very quickly. You just go request for it, you will get it, and you will be able to manage your thing. You just need to take care about the data what you are putting in your application, or we can say the account, like in your Gmail account, what kind of data it should have, and who will have the access, to whom you are sharing the passwords and all. That's related to data and access. So that you need to manage. But everything up to application, cloud provider need to manage these all. So this is the shared responsibility model.